right, you guys, this is Monday morning and I just finished my morning run, which feels awesome. Feels really awesome, but I'm feeling a little discomfort here and there, but I guess it's because I've been out for a few days, but that's okay. I'll be back up to par in no time. So with that said, run is finished. I'm going to get some abs in. Hopefully you guys getting your workout in, even when Melly's not getting her workout in. Get your workout in. Have an amazing day. Baby's off to work and Tyler is here watching his little nursery rhymes as per usual, and of course he wanted to come on the treadmill with mama as usual. So have a good day and stay positive, stay blessed, do something that makes you snap out of negativity, make you snap out of a down feeling. And what I do to put me in the right frame of mind is this right here. Workout. Try it. You might thank me later. Alright you guys, I'm going to get some abs in. A real intense session of abs. So let's do it. Let's go. Workout is done. It was a bomb workout, even though I don't feel my old self, but give me 2 to 3 days and I'll be back and working like I ain't never left. Okay, I've been just slacking off for 1 and 2 days because I wasn't feeling well, but I am back. Okay, I'm back. You guys, it looks so scary outside. I don't know how I'm gonna venture out to take Tyler to the daycare and to go to work. Let me just show you guys what outside is look like, so you know I'm not just exaggerating. You see that? Let me show you. That is outside. It's windy. You can't see nothing over the city. Everything outside is wet. Chair is wet, cushion is wet, everything is blowing away. It's a good thing that so much things is in this so it can't blow away, but everything outside is wet. It's raining like crazy and it's super windy. Yeah, so it's pretty scary outside this morning, but I have to go out, so I have to find a way and I have to figure out what I gotta do. Here my son, here Tyler calling Planet. Planet, you're watching Planet? Come here. Planet. Come here. Can you say hi, Fabs? Fish. Say hi, Fabs. Hi, how are you? Fish. Yes, how do you know Mama gonna bake fish? Mama gonna bake fish for Papa dinner in the oven. You want fish for dinner? Fish for dinner. Yes, fish for dinner. Alright, run on out of the kitchen. Mama is gonna cook. Go, chop. You guys, I am in the kitchen because I have a series of things to do. I have to make breakfast 1, I have to make lunch 2, and I have to make dinner 3, because when I don't do these things I ended up having myself and my entire family eating crap. So all this I'm going to figure out what to do with it. So I have fish, I have green beans, I have mushroom, I have onion and sweet peppers, I have tomato, I have salad, I have quinoa that is already cooked, and I have chicken that is already baked, and I have radish right here. So all this is going to prepare lunch and dinner. What? And it's for nest? Yeah. Oh, Uranus. He's watching planets. So that's going to be for lunch and dinner, and then eggs is going to be for breakfast. Neptune. I don't know what you're saying, but yes, very good. Pretty view, yes. I don't know what he's saying, but he's talking, okay? Alright, you guys, so all this is going to be prepared right now. Eggs for breakfast, dinner and lunch is going to be prepared from these somewhat. Of course, the oven is already on, so you know that the fish is going to throw in there, a quick and easy way of getting that done. So yeah, let me go ahead and jump in and get all of these things done. I'm on time. I have a few hours before I start getting Tyler all together and getting done for enough and all that. But anyway, let's go. It's a lot to get done. Basically, I'm just gonna show you guys where I am right now with everything that I've prepared so far. So I am in the process of cooking some sweet potatoes over here, so Babe and Tyler can have that. And this is Babe mushroom and beans. This is the outcome of the baked white fish, so that's that. And this is lunch for me. Well, either one gonna be lunch and one gonna be dinner. I like to have the same thing throughout the day. I don't really mind. If I feel like changing, I'll change, but today is gonna be one of those days where I'm gonna have the same thing for lunch and dinner. So lunch, dinner, when I'm going to eat it, I just prepare the salad, but when I'm gonna eat it, I'm gonna add some quinoa that I have here too. But I like to have my quinoa warm if I have the chance to make it warm, but I can also eat it cold. So I'm going to warm that before I put it on top of the salad, just a little bit, like a spoon or so. And then I have some leftover chicken here, which when I'm ready for it, I'm going to warm a piece, put it on the lunch, and warm a piece and put it on the dinner. So that's where I'm at. Everything is all prepared. Dishes is all washed, kitchen is all clean, and now I get to go spend a little time with Tyler until it's time for him to get lunch. So I'm well on my way. You guys, if you prioritize, if you plan out your day, if you schedule your day, there's no excuses to get nothing done. You still can get your workout done, you still can get things done at home, and you still can head off to work. Regardless of what time you have work or how many hours you work in the day, it can be done. Never tell yourself that nothing can be done. Once you prioritize and put your mind to it and said, this is what I'm gonna do, it can be done. Alright, so I'm well on my way. It's not even 11 yet. I got so much done. I feel so accomplished. So yeah, catch you guys later. Hey guys, it's still looking scary as hell outside. It's raining like crazy. It's just raining non-stop, but the day have to go on and I have things to do, so I have to go out in that. Anyway, Tyler is sleeping right now. Tyler is taking a nap. I have an hour before I pick him up, so I'm taking that hour to eat lunch, and this is what lunch is looking like. Kind of look a lot, so I'm not sure that I'm going to finish it, but that is what lunch is. The chicken, a little bit of quinoa, and salad that I show you guys earlier. So yeah, I'm going to grab a lunch, answer some emails while I'm doing that multitasking, and then muster up the courage to go out in this rain. If you guys can see what's happening, oh my gosh, I wonder if you guys can see through the curtain. You guys, can you see that? Can you see all that wind? Yes, that's wind and rain. It's going on crazy outside. But gotta do what you gotta do. Hi faves.
Hi
you guys.
guys.
You see my hair?
Wow.
Tyler, sit. You can't kill Papa Future, not yet. You have to get a sister or brother. Come. You can't kill Papa Future just yet. Mama just want at least one more first. Then you can do anything you want with it. Okay? But you have to be careful.
Yeah, bad boy Tyler.
You guys, let me tell you why my hair look like this.
My hair don't look bad.
You see all this? So much things happened since the last clip. When I said so much things happen, I mean so much things happen. One, I didn't go to work. Two, babe reached home before me. Three, it's been raining cats and dogs like I showed you this morning, and it got worse throughout the day. And work called after I dropped Tyler at the daycare and said no work today, so I ended up didn't have work. And it's been raining so hard in town. I just decided, okay, I'm just going to do some shopping and then go back for Tyler. So I just do that. I finally finish up all my Christmas shopping. Finally. So I use the opportunity to get that done. And I just went and picked up Tyler after like an hour and a half. I went and picked him back up. And then because it's raining so hard and the city is under red alert because of the rain, all the schools are closed and stuff like that. So babe office also closed and babe leave work early. So while I was on my way on the bus, one of babe co-worker dropped him home, and babe actually reached home before me. When I say the rain is falling like crazy, so it's because I got wet, so my hairstyle got ruined.
Yeah, the hairstyle.
Because of
It's the rain of the bus.
yes, we got wet in the bus with the rain, right? And it goes swish, swish, swish. Yes, the wiper went swish, swish, swish. Today on the road, when the rain was falling and our car wiper was going like this, he keeps saying, Mama, swish, 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 because
It's the bus. It's the car, the fish.
yeah, the car wiper went swish, swish, swish on the bus. He's so proud of himself when he talks these days. He just blush away. He's just talking like crazy. On the road today, every time he see the car wiper and the bus wiper go like this, he say, Mama, swish, 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 because his Wheels on the Bus song that he listens to, he's a part of the song, or the wiper goes swish, swish, swish. So that's why he's saying swish. Bush went swish, swish, swish.
It's the bus swish.
Yeah, it went swish, swish, swish today when you were in it. That's how the bus goes, swish, swish, swish. Yeah. And you saw the rain falling? You saw the rain? You saw the rain falling today? Huh? You got wet in the rain? So as a good old Jamaican, as I reach home, of course, I rub him up with alcohol.
I was wondering what you were doing.
Of course, babe was laughing at me. I rub him head with alcohol and his foot with alcohol for him not to get sick, not to get cold.
Okay.
Or for his cold not to come back. As you guys can see, he's all better now. What?
You're wizard.
Who?
You.
Without what?
Wizard, like you're making some...
If I'm a wizard because I use alcohol.
You're using some potion.
Yes, I'm a wizard. So, babe, I've been home. We got home and we ate dinner and we've been drinking hot chocolate. That's what people do when it rains, right? Drink hot chocolate and cuddle. Which Jamaican? When it rains, Jamaicans sleep. Can I drink hot chocolate? Or make soup? And play dominoes? And make a lot of noise in the house and play games inside? Don't drink hot chocolate. Hot chocolate when it rains is just my thing. So, well, and in my head, that's what everybody do in my head.
Okay.
Have you talked to the faves all day?
No, but the fave's looking at me right now. Hi guys. Yeah, that have been a long day for me, and yeah, finish early, even if it was long. Finish early because it was raining so much. They closed half of the world because all of the world that is beside the sea, they closed all of the world, so it's starting to be yeah, and
the wave was too heavy and gushing up on the
I think it was just for precaution they started to close the schools.
My umbrella broke as I stepped out the house. That was crazy how the wind is. And when I reach in town, almost every bin on the road have at least 3-4 umbrellas in there. So
every what?
Bin, poubelle.
So I don't understand the bin and the umbrella.
Almost every bin.
Oh, like the broken umbrella that going in the bin. Lord have mercy. Beside work, it was the same. People.
I told you just dropping their umbrella in the bin.
Yeah, because they were wearing the umbrella like this and the umbrella flying like this. Mine break too.
Hello, can you say hi to the faves? Can you say hi to the faves? Look.
Okay.
Look at them. Look in the camera. Can you look in the camera and say hi?
Hi.
You're not looking. Look. Look.
Tell her.
Ty.
Tell her. Open it.
Tell her look in the camera. So what kind of nasty look is that? Why that nasty look? He give you guys a nasty look just now. Look at his little sweet cheeks. I just wanna bite you. Bite your cheeks. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and end today's vlog. And of course, the Jamaican expression for today. Since Tyler give you that nasty look, I'm gonna say the Jamaican expression for today is dry eye. If somebody look at you the way Tyler just look at you with that nasty look, like, and just staring at you non-stop, my grandmother would say, what a boy eye dry. Simply mean he's looking at you nasty without care. Dry eye. That's what it is.
Every time you say Jamaican expression, I can imagine in my head your grandma. And Bob grandma. This time it was Auntie Louise that's saying it. It was your grandma Louise that's saying it in my head. I can just picture
my
it.
grandparents are both hilarious.
So the French expression for today, that's just a regular but very common expression. In order to give you hope when it's raining, they say après la pluie, le beau temps. It simply means that after the rain, the good weather. So yeah, always wait the rain to pass. The good weather will be after it.
Okay.
Say it. Après la pluie, le beau temps.
Le beau temps.
Right.
Le beau temps.
Right. After the rain, the good weather.
Okay. After the rain, the good weather will come.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys. So there you have the French expression and Jamaican expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes. If it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when we upload. And if you're not notified when we upload, go to our channel. Every single day we upload Monday to Friday. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. Tyler said tomorrow. Say bye, faves. Say love you.